This guy, he's climbing up there. He's crazy.
Oh, you wanna come
Look,
up?
look what he's doing. Look what he's doing.
I'm saying, you wanna come up?
Yeah, later. He's a crazy guy. Look.
Do I see avocados up here and good branches? Yeah, there's avocados here too.
But look, the one for the big one, the one is ready. Holy smoke, where he is. I don't see him. Where are you? So he's starting to sweep the what do you call this? The roof now. There he is. He looks so tired. Be careful!
Careful with
Ay,
what?
nako.
That's why it's slippery if you step on those things.
You're not even in your shoe.
You step on the part that don't have it. Then I'm going on the other side of you.
Look at that dirt.
Okay, go, come up here. Give me a hand.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, there he is. He's sweeping. This is the view here. The mountain. Actually, that one, oh. That's our neighbor. This is what you see here in top of the house. There he is. He's still sweeping. That's what he do. After watching Donald Trump, he finds something else to do. Besides sleeping, swimming, eating, and a little bit chore. And after playing games, going on iPad. He's ready. He looks so serious. Look at it. Look at it. Ay, in Han, why you walking like that? That's enough. That's enough. Let's start doing this now. Oh, you need to be careful. Ay nako. Han. That's enough. When the rain comes, it's gonna sweep all the way there anyway. Oh, be careful. Ay, nako. There, stand there. Here is straight. You don't have to worry about that one because the rain, Han, is gonna sweep that
Look at the guava tree, how tall it is already. There.
yeah.
See the mountains back there?
That one, yeah.
Very nice.
You see.
To go over there if you want to film that.
Okay. There's other mountain right there. That's the Sierra Hills. Actually, if we put a second floor here, we could see this
Of course.
this view. That one, no? This is what you see in top of the roof. If we have a second floor, we could see this every day, having coffee and looking at this nice view right here.
Now I'm thinking to pull the house down, we need to put another layer of roof, like 2 inches off separation, so that the heat doesn't penetrate.
And that's the apartment right there. There's another apartment there.
Man, there's a big tree right there.
And here he is. He's very bored today. That's why he wants to climb in here. And he wants the avocado right there too.
See, there's one avocado right there. Look,
Yeah.
there's many. No, another one there. Another one there. There's many. But I don't think they're ready.
We'll see.
Wait, let me try to get one.
There he is.
This one?
Huh?
That one there?
I know that's not ready. It's too small.
Looks like it's
Let
black.
me get the one. You don't know how to handle this one. It's probably gonna fall.
Okay, go.
So which one?
I don't know. They all look small to me. Just watch your step there. You. Let me move over so I can see what you're doing.
Brown ready.
Get it. Just get it. They're all about the same size anyway. Just get that one.
You want it?
Yeah.
Stop.
There you go. Right there. Get it. Okay. Let me see. Bring it here to the camera.
How you doing? Okay?
Keep coming. Keep coming this way.
Coming this way. Keep coming this way. Slowly but surely. Don't let it fall. Advance. Oh, it's
Wow.
ready. Look.
Yeah, that's a good size. Let me see.
See, if
Okay.
you see the seeds,
If you
ready here.
okay, look compared to my hand, look.
It's
Or
ready.
compared to my face, or compared to my nose.
But that's actually the medium one. That's
Yeah.
not this,
okay, so
just shake it.
this
The seeds is already
loose.
yeah.
There's many. Look up there on the top, all the way on the top. There's another one.
Yeah.
So this is a good size avocado. This is a good size. These are the ones I see in the market. This size, like this.
What's the other one that I like?
I think this one right above you, but I'm not sure if you want that one or not. It's getting dark already.
Where is it?
Come back here. You can see it from back here. You need to move back this way.
What?
No, it's bigger than that. Come back here. Don't be scared. This is like it's not really slippery here. Look on top of you, all the way on the top. You see it all the way up there?
Where? The what?
Yeah, that one. Because it's turning brown already. Go ahead and get it. Can you reach?
Yeah, I can reach. But that's not
I'll go get it if you want me to.
I'm looking for a bigger one.
Oh, I don't know.
I see a big one here. It's not
Look at the critter down there. Yep. What is she doing down there? Huh? Where you getting down?
I'm looking.
It's getting dark already. That's why you're not going to see them very well. Yeah, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just on this side of the tree. So this. What happened? It doesn't reach? You cannot reach? Oh. She got a cramp in her leg or her foot. If it's too difficult, we could come back up tomorrow during the day. Uh-oh, she's going for another one. Yeah, she's standing there on that ledge. Nah, hon, that's dangerous there. You're getting too close to the edge. Yeah. Now she's climbing the tree. I could probably reach it, hon. Just leave it for me. Okay. Nah, don't do that, hon. Don't climb that. It's not worth it. Just leave it, hon, leave it. Why I got stuck? Yeah, the sun is gone.
He's getting ready to get the avocado. Look, he's ready to get some. Wait, that's not it.
That is the one you were showing.
No, it's not that one.
So which is it? That's the
Where
only
is
one,
it?
huh? Okay.
Okay,
Go.
there. Uh-oh. He don't know how to use that. Oh boy, he's gonna fall. He don't know how to use it. Oh Lord.
It's easy. Look. Right there.
Ay, ay, ay. He doesn't know, han.
Just keep going, huh?
That's him right there. I think, oh, he got it. Wow. Congratulations.
Let's see what it look like.
Excited?
Wow, it's big.
Hmm? Can you shake it? It's the
Yeah, it's loose.
loose. Okay,
Yeah, it's loose
it's
inside.
perfect.
You want me to get another one?
If you want so. That one, oh, I think that one is good also. That one there, oh. I think.
Yep. I'm gonna get it.
Yeah, it's loose already.
I'm looking around and see if I see another bigger one. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
There's another one. You should go get one there. Oh boy. Uh-oh.
I see the little thing there that you made.
You don't know.
It goes right there.
There.
Right there. Oops.
Like that. Then let me do it, you want.
I got it. I got it.
Just put it up if you want. Just up, up.
This one's
If
mine.
you want like that, okay.
Wow, that was
He doesn't know. Limit it him a lesson.
I think that's too little. I think that one's too little. Okay, let's see this one. This is supposed to be a professional.
Limit it him. This is how you do it, okay? That and then like that. How easy?
Okay.
Get it? And then bring it down. Little by little. There. Check it out.
Wow, it's a good size. Okay. Oh, it's loose also.
Oh, you just miss.
They're making cheese, man.
It's not recording.
Of course it is.
Ah,
Yeah, they're making cheese, man. There, these two.
another chismoso. By the way, guys, we have this look like a little apple right here. The one, oh. They're pink.
Bibili ako
It's not ready yet.
Bibili ako mamaya kay ano daw ng anong fruit candy.
But they're good and sweet.
What's this one doing, hiding behind the...
Hello.
Wow, it's cool up here, the breeze.
Look in there, Tito.
Ah.
Tito, you might fall there.
Where? Look how little Tita looks. Tika. Hello. Bak.
Look, hey, don't video.
Ah.
Hi. My shirt is dirty. Hello. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yung pangalan. Sobrang dumi.
Wow. Look, they have a lot of tiles there to do something. A lot of roosters. Look all the tiles they have there. Han. Look at that. Joanne.
Uy, Diyos talaga.
Look at that one over there. Look at that one over there. Look how scared she is. Look. I thought us ones could fly.
Hello!
Dito, hindi ka na matatakot dito.
Look at here. Look at here. Look at here.
Ate, mabigat doon. Magkano doon?
Ayun na, nakaganon doon na. Ay, nakaganon na.
Saan?
Aswang, oo, aswang. Look like this, oh. Like this, ano.
Yung sahod. Look at that.
Look at the tree there like this, oh.
Yeah, I saw it.
Scarecrow.
Aswang. The aswang is there.
Dito na, hindi ba itong dugong ninyo? Uy, bawal dalawa-dalawa. Hello! Someone in our group, look.
Ah, yeah.
Ay, ganyan dapat, oh, pinagawa.
That's why sometimes you hear the noise like boom, and
Tito,
it's,
don't go in there.
don't go where.
There. In the rock.
Why?
Like it's falling.